Just as in any business, you need a list or an audience. Okay, so in Snapchat, you need an audience. And unfortunately, there is no way for people on Snapchat to find you. They can't type in a name or a username and find you in Snapchat. So you have to work hard to build an audience. Okay, you got to try to promote your Snapchat account on other social media platforms, and also try to add everyone from your phone's contact list when you first start out. That way, a lot of them will also add you to their Snapchat account. Okay, and when you try to get people to follow you on Snapchat, you have to give them a good reason to follow you. So, for example, you have to offer discount codes or exclusive content that they can't find anywhere else. Okay, another way to build your audience is to post your snap code everywhere. And the snap code is a code that people would take a picture of with their Snapchat account. Okay, and so you could post your snap code in your other accounts, or if you're talking to somebody in real life, you can just get them to take a snap right then and there. Another way to build your audience is to swap or pay for shoutouts. So you can get together with other Snap chatters and agree to promote each other's Snapchat accounts and to invite other people to check out your Snapchat account and vice versa. Okay, and you could also pay for that service. And lastly, another way to build your audience is to use the live function. Okay, and it's actually pretty difficult to get on the live feature of Snapchat. They have an algorithm they use to basically put stories on live for people to watch. There are a couple tips you could use. It's one of them is to turn on your local settings function so that if there is a big live story going on in an area, you have a chance of your story being featured live along with that story. Also, another way to increase your chances of going live is to increase your amount of snaps. So basically, the more snaps you create, the more stories you create, that increases the likelihood of yours being included in a live story during that day. So you have to be on the lookout for live Snapchats in your area.